Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Restoration. Today we got a unboxing video, my first. I thought it was about time I did one. I got this from Andrew at Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. Let's get started. Sent me a really nice letter along with it. And I got a bonus of Swiss chocolate. Thank you, Andrew. Chocolate always goes well in this house. Start out with a Mercedes Siku. By the way, these are all Siku diecast, which is made in Germany and West Germany at one time. Second one up on the agenda is a smart car, also made in Germany. I guess it's a fire chief's car. We'll have to get some tires for the back. Second one, the third one up is I believe it said Mercedes on it. You'll have to bear with me on my unboxing. I'm not any good at this, I will admit. Why I'm thinking about it though. Oh, here's a Darda. It's a pullback German diecast. Done up in Knight Rider style. Make sure you check out Andrew's channel, Matchbox or Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers. He does some wonderful vehicles. And the nice thing is, when he's done, he puts them in a bag, seals them, and gives them back to the thrift stores for little kids to have for free. That's a farming harvester. A lot of detail in these. Here's a railroad car. Really beautifully constructed. This one was really cool. It's completely metal, rollers included, some kind of a street pavement roller, steamroller, whatever, heavy and big. It's a Mini Cooper. I believe this was a Ferrari Other than the name on the bottom, they just say stuff like Siku Racer. Not all of them have what the car actually is, but I believe that's a Ferrari. German police car. Here's some kind of a German fire truck, hose truck or something. Here's a crane truck. The detail on this is just amazing. I'll have to put a new hook on the end, but the boom swivels, raises, extends. Beautiful little vehicle. Little farm tractor. Another farm tractor, a little bigger version. Porsche. I don't know if it's a 917 or what, but it's done up in the Gulf colors. Perfect condition. It'll go right on my shelf. Here's a Ford GT40. I can't wait to get into this one. It's been played with, a little worn on the paint, but I can't wait to get in and make that look something beautiful. Here's some other kind of a crane truck. It's missing the boom or whatever on it. I'll have to work something up for that. Not a big deal. There's some kind of African safari tour van. As we come to the end, here's an Opel convertible. As we come to the end here, I'd like to thank Andrew for sending me this stuff. I really greatly appreciate it. There's some kind of a fire foam truck, missing the snorkel, which is an easy replace. But I want you all to go over to Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers and check Andrew's channel out and subscribe. He's a great guy, does some great work, and then gives his work away free so children can have a nice new die-cast car. Last one here is a police van. Thank you for watching. This is Opal saying goodbye.